Hello students, today we will discuss about metals and their properties. So, some physical properties of metals are: first, metallic luster; second, they are hard; third, malleability; fourth, ductility; and fifth, snourus. So, apart from these, firstly I'll tell you some basic properties of metals. Okay. Metal utensils are used for cooking, right? Why do you think they are used for this purpose? Which energy do we need to cook food? Yes, heat energy. We need heat energy to cook food, and metals are good conductors of heat. What? Metals are good conductors of heat. Okay? They help transfer heat evenly to the entire surface and provide even heating. Now, electric wires are also made up of metals, aren't they? Why is that? This is because metals are good conductors of electricity too. And because they are good conductors of electricity, they are coated with a rubber like material which acts as an insulator which protects us from being electrocuted if we accidentally touch the wire. Okay, so let us now discuss the properties of metals. First is its state. Metal utensils are solid at room temperature with the exception of mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. So, metals are generally solid at room temperature, but mercury is found at its liquid state at the room temperature. Second is its malleability. What does malleability means? The properties of metal The property of metal by which they can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability. For example, the shape of aluminum wire and iron nail changes on beating. If they are beaten harder, if they are beaten harder, they could be changed into sheets. So, this is an aluminum block. When it is beaten harder, it it is changes into aluminum sheet or this aluminum foil. The third property of metal is its ductility. Metals can be drawn into wires. For example, 100 gram of silver can be drawn into thin wire about 200 meters long. So, this is the third property of metal. So, moving forward, if we talk about its hardness, all metals are hard except sodium and potassium, which are soft and can cut with a knife. Now, what does its luster mean? Metals have the quality of reflecting light from their surface and can be polished. Example: gold, silver, and copper. So, luster means its its shininess. That means metals are shiny in appearance. Now, the last property is snourus, that metal produce the ringing sound when they are stuck harder. So, for example, the temple bell is made up of metal. The bell used in bicycle is also made up of metal, or the bell which is used in this school is also made up of metal. This is because metals are sonorous and they produce sound when they are beaten. Okay, so thank you.